channel, and if you are new to this channel, well, hi, my name is Zantra and I'll be more than happy if you consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel given down below. And I think you have read by the title already कि जो आज का वीडियो है वो क्या होने वाला है. So I am super excited to share everything with you all in this video. So stay tuned, watch till end, and there are many more things going to unbox in this Flipkart haul. So without wasting any time, let's quickly hop into the video. Okay, honestly, I never knew that Flipkart has amazing varieties of latest updated trends until I discovered it. Also, it has a wide varieties of trendy pieces with really fast delivery, and on top of that, it has great value across unbelievable varieties with unbelievable prices. Let's get started with the very first product, which by the way I am wearing is this beautiful puff sleeve red top, and it looks so pretty. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so I am super impressed by its quality and look of the top. And one thing I need to tell you that if you are with relatives, just wear it like this, but when you are with your friends, all you need to do is tuck the rest inside your bra, just high rise the denim, and you are good to go. It looks so sassy and sleek and also so much pretty. And this beautiful yet sassy yet elegant yet comfy and yet princess vibe wala top is priced at ₹354 only. Isn't it a steal? I just loved it. Like, you can look how beautiful it looks on wearing. Is this cute little box. Let me show you what's inside. So I love this packaging. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है ना ये. और इसके अंदर I have got few accessories. Okay, इधर गई. Okay, so this are hair accessories. इसमें love लिखा हुआ है. And okay, happy. This is the star, and the one I'm wearing is में miss लिखा हुआ है. Isn't this looks pretty on wearing? These are trending these days a lot. Actually not these days, ये काफी पहले से trend कर रहे हैं, but these are still in trend and I am loving this a lot. So why to order one? I have ordered the whole set, and you won't believe कि इसके whole set का price कितना है. This are super affordable, and this one is priced at ₹254 only. और इसमें आपको 1, 2 and 3 there are a set of 4 clips in $254 only. So this is a steal. A must have, which are trending these days a lot. So let me show you. This is how it looks like. इसका packaging कुछ ऐसा हुआ है. So this is Transy but with colorful glasses वाला sunglass. These are the Instagram trendy things, and this one is priced at ₹419 only. Up next on the list is this really beautifully must have trending sunglasses. और इसकी पैकेजिंग तो इतनी सुंदर है कि मेरे को इसको खोलने का भी मन नहीं हो रहा है. But let me show you. So here is a really cute note, and I love such cute little messages a lot. And along with this, and let me show you how it looks like. So this is a retro rectangular sunglasses which are trending these days a lot, and I am totally in love with this piece. I will do that thing. Okay, how they know? And this beautiful sunglass is priced at ₹349 only, and I am loving it a lot because it's like you need to add some element to your photos. मैंने जो ग्लासेस हैं 2-2 3-3 एक्चुअली इसलिए ऑर्डर किए हैं बिकॉज एवरीथिंग विल बी द सेम. जो एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट ऐड करता है आपके पिक्चर को क्रिएटिव बनाने के लिए वो ज्वेलरी सन ग्लासेस ही होते हैं, आई मीन द एक्सेसरीज. तो आई ऑर्डर्ड extra. So here is the next product, which is by the way a sunglass again. So let me show you how it looks like. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Again this cute little note on top of the glass. Its packaging are really good. Aren't this pretty? And this retro square blue wale transy wale sunglasses, this one is priced at ₹349 only, and I just love it. I am loving ये जो उसका आउटलाइन का कलर है. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर दैट
when you wear something very solid color का, add nothing, just this glasses and you will be killing it. I am
telling you, trust me guys. Moving forward on to the next product, let me show you what it is. This one is my most favorite amongst all the product. वैसे तो सारे ही मेरे favorite हैं, but particular this one is, oh I love it. So this one is beautiful. My gosh, this is so pretty. This bag is what I crave for honestly, और especially इसकी जो chain वाली detailing है, I am honestly super impressed by its quality. इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा मटेरियल है, प्लस दिस चेन थिंग, इसका चेन भी बहुत अच्छा है. एंड यू कैन देखो मैं भूल गई बोलना, इसको आपको जैसे ही ऐसे करना है आप वैसे कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको स्लिंग बनाना है, यहाँ से इसको बेल्ट को कम कर दीजिए, बिल्कुल स्लिंग बैग जैसा लगेगा. लाइक है ही है स्लिंग बैग, बट you can also hang it like a shoulder bag. It looks super cool. Also look at the compartment, you guys. There is one compartment over here at the back, and in the front also there is not one but 2 different compartments. So this is really spacious. Quality में कोई doubt नहीं है, and इसका price is, look at this. Yes, it is this cheap or this affordable. Up next on the list is this really cute thing. मैंने इसे एक बार खोला है, but let me show you. So this is a multi-purpose bag which is waterproof, and this one is retail for ₹399. And also you guys, मल्टीपर्पज इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि इसको एज अ बैकपैक भी यूज कर सकते हैं और इसको एज अ सिंगल स्ट्रैप बैग भी यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड क्वालिटी इज जस्ट अमेजिंग. एंड ऑल्सो लुक एट द कंपार्टमेंट, यू गाइस. सामने एज सच कुछ भी नहीं है, बस जो पीछे रहता है वो कंपार्टमेंट सामने है और जो मेन कंपार्टमेंट होता है वो पीछे है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एंटी थीफ बैग for this thing. So this is how the color is, really pastel, very trendy with some turquoise and pink color on top of it. So I am loving this bag a lot. Up next on the list is we have this. Let me show you what is inside this. Okay, this is a pair of, I think, Kolhapuri chappal or flats. एक्चुअली आई ऑलवेज नीडेड समथिंग जिसको मैं एथनिक और कैजुअल दोनों के साथ वेयर कर सकूँ. सो दिस आर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ that thing, you know, like this will look amazing with western as well as ethnic के लिए. तो such types of sandals are amazing. So let me just show you how it looks on wearing. And also this one is priced at ₹349 only. Isn't it affordable yet stylish, है ना? On the list is most favorite thing, which is a ta-na-na-na-na. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I am the one, the way you're trying to. No, God, please, no, no, no.
It's a Thug Life wala glasses. I don't know why I always wanted it, but I wanted it. I don't know ये मेरे ऊपर अच्छा दिखेगा कि नहीं. Oh my God. But I liked it. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and this Thug Life is priced at ₹249 only. Stay tuned on my Instagram, you guys. I will show different styles of glasses with different styles of clothing pieces. So if you aren't following me, I have ordered from Flipkart. I love them a lot. And just one more thing I wanted to add, that there is a really easy return process without any query. If there is any fitting issue or if you want to return it or exchange it, just head to the return वाला जो भी column होता है उसमें and return it. It is really easy and you will get your best product at really good time, by which I mean बहुत ज़्यादा fast delivery होती है. So you will love it. So yeah, this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you do, you know the truth, right? Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload any new video, you guys will be notified. Signing off. Bye bye.